Hi friends, let me show you this new magnetic power bank, wireless, for iPhones that have the MagSafe feature. This is a nice battery, it's a 10,000 milliamperes and it's really easy to bring with you. You get your user manual, all the instructions. You get a charging cable. It charges with the regular USB-C port. And this is the actual battery. As you can see, it's really easy to bring with you. You charge it in this port and you can even charge other accessories with any USB-A cable in this port, okay? You can bring the battery with you in your hands, in your purse, in your briefcase, or have it in your office with you. These batteries are easy to use because they will tell you how much energy they have still in the power bank, and it's so easy to use them. You just snap them to your phone like that, and that's it. You're getting power to your phone. Okay? So, you know how much battery left you have. You can even use it like this, easy. And when you're ready, you just keep it like that there. So, I even can use it with my MagSafe compatible case. Okay? So, as you can see, you put it there and you turn it on in this button, and you also are charging your phone with the MagSafe compatible case. Okay, so without a case or with a MagSafe compatible case, you are able to use this external battery. Really convenient. Thank you.